So this is the demo for my PA6 assignment for getting the shield working and doing the removal of some of the bricks with a sound observer. You can see that I've got a sound observer here. It is tied to the collision for the missiles and also the bombs. I've got a fall zigzag strategy here for a zigzag bomb that falls down, and now I'll demonstrate as to what it looks like. So you can see here that I've got a zigzag that's falling down. It's going back and forth. It hits the shield and makes a sound. I don't know if the audio is able to be heard or not for that, since the computer sound is not enabled. And then my ship, if it shoots, it will also remove some of the shields. Until I can shoot all the way through the shield. And then, so for this PA, I've also included some font testing here. I'll add more to that later. And some problems I encountered is when I shoot through the rest of my shields, for the last one to remove, I'm starting to get an error, so I needed to take some more debugging time to figure that out. But for the most part, it's working fairly well for this demo. Thanks for watching.